Hey, what's up guys? John here at Tekmogo. Today we review something different, but kind of the same. This is the Anker Soundcore Bluetooth speaker. You can find this on Amazon for right around 20 bucks. I'll put a link in the description in case you want to check it out. So today we'll unbox these, check out some features and specs, its build quality, and more importantly, its sound quality. And I'll let you know what I think of them. Alright, so first off, they come in this white box with the Anker logo on the front. On the bottom here, they've got a quote saying, "The choice of 10 million happy users." And I don't doubt it. They have a bunch of good products. I use a few of their chargers. And on the back here, they have their website address. Now inside the box, you get a quick setup guide, charging cable, and a speaker. The speaker is made out of a black rubberized material and feels solid in hand, and I suppose they use this material to provide some protection from bumps and drops, and some added grip. Unfortunately, this material is a fingerprint magnet. On the top you have your power, play, and Bluetooth button, along with your volume controls. On the side you have a mic, power, and auxiliary port. And on the front here, you have a nice black metal mesh screen with the Anker branding on it. Overall, this feels solid and is IPX5, providing some water resistance. I wouldn't submerge this in water, but it can take a spill no problem. Now pairing using Bluetooth is simple. It uses Bluetooth 4.2 and has a max distance of 66 feet. I'll pair it to my phone as an example. Now make sure your Bluetooth is on, turn on your speaker, press the Bluetooth button for 4 seconds and it'll put it in pairing mode. And your phone should see it. Hit pair and you're connected. Very simple. The battery life on this thing is excellent. It's capable of 24 hours of playtime. I've had it for a few days now and use it a few hours at a time and haven't had to charge it yet. I've actually never charged it yet. I'm still on whatever charge it came with from the factory. Now as for sound, it's okay. It's very clear. I just wish it had more bass. For watching talking YouTube videos, it's excellent, but as for listening to music, again, I wish it had more bass. But you have to remember, it's only 20 bucks, so you can't expect mind-blowing sound. So with all that said, if you need a small external speaker and on a budget, you may want to check these out. I paid 20 bucks, but price on it fluctuates. I would pass on it if it was any more. With that said guys, if you like this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel and smash that like button. It really does help the channel be found. And while you're at it, hit that notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Once again guys, I'm John at Tekmogo. I'll see you in the next one.